Hi, my name is Bryce Griffin, and I did my Sport Magnifique assignment on the Republic of Cuba. This is Cuba right here. It is an island in the West Indies of the Caribbean Sea off the coast of Florida, and this is its flag right here. The significance of sports in Cuban society. By far, Cuba is predominantly a baseball playing country. This is pretty obvious. However, another sport that is very widely practiced there is boxing. There are a number of Cuban baseball players in the MLB today that are actually very well known. There are also a number of Cuban boxers who are making their way up through the ranks into the national contention in the United States boxing scene. Some of the players that are more famous residing from Cuba include Escobar, Yoenis Cespedes, Aroldis Chapman, and Yasiel Puig. Some of the more famous Cuban boxers who have come up through the ranks in history include Jose Napoles, Guillermo Rigondo, and Benny Parrott. Throughout the island of Cuba, Spanish is by far the most spoken language there. They do speak English as well, but almost entirely every person in Cuba speaks Spanish. And the most practiced religion there is Roman Catholic Christianity. And this was actually fairly hard to find one specific significant person or event in Cuban history, so I tried to cover the broad spectrum of it as best I could. There have been numerous accounts in which there were great feats in Cuban sports throughout history, whether it be a great performance in the Olympics, medaling, or just all-around great performance. Winning a Gold Glove in the MLB, which is a defensive award awarded to field players based on their performance throughout the season, or a world boxing title. The history of Cuban sports goes back so long and it covers so many different areas, it's nearly impossible just to focus on one due to the severity of it and however many fields of sport there is. So I hope you all enjoyed my presentation, and I thoroughly enjoyed this assignment and this class. I definitely learned a lot, and I'm looking forward to more classes like this in the future.